Hello guys, we're in the video today. We're gonna play Subway Surfers. Okay. You love the Subway Surfers videos, so you love the shorts because they already got 500 views. I only posted it yesterday, so I'm gonna do a lot of things. Don't check that out. Well, do check it out because it's probably gonna be a new hunt. No, I deleted this game a lot of times, so I only need to buy more skateboards. I'm going to save up for this skateboard. No, I don't know. Because there's skins that you could get. Go down, dodge. Up. And cross. Go cross. Ooh, I missed that coin. Jump. Okay. I'm doing good progress. Okay. Oh, yes, go. Come on. I'm him. What the? That scared me there. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is intense. I'm literally him. Oh no, let's get into the part where I hate. Okay, now it's easy. What is my Fortnite character doing? He's literally just screaming. Auga. Yes. Okay. Oh. At least get like 50 or something. Okay, this is fine. No! How are you supposed to know where that is? Okay, that's kind of good, but kind of bad. Okay, I got some coins there. Why do I need to watch an ad? Okay. Just X that. Okay, now I'm just gonna go back to the lobby. I wanna buy a new character, like this guy. This guy is what I wanna buy. Okay. This is just gonna give me a huge, huge head start. Now I'm already on the goal. Use this because it was my quest. Oh yes, this wastes so much time. Oh hell, what the? Oh hell no. No, no! Bro, why am I going so fast? What am I doing? Oh my god, what the? Okay, that's good. I beat him. We'll be fresh. I'm playing again. No matter what, we're watching ads. We're beating the whole squad. Okay, we're beating them. I'm the king. Let's go. Hey, Mac. Hey. Okay, now I need a piece of a noob. After this, nobody can beat me. Oh, here's this guy. I know this guy. I've seen him. I took it away. Just clear it. Yes, I beat him. Come on, I can get world champion of this. Nope, 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 nope. We're watching another ad. We're watching one. What am I supposed to do? Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, there we go. 69. We beat them. We beat them. That's what I only wanted to do. Mission accomplished. Now I just collect my reward. I guess now I have 20 keys. Now I need to unlock that guy soon. Here, I'm just gonna favor like every. Oh my. Why can't I favor every single outfit? There we go. We got him. 15 keys. 25. Ooh, it's a big deal for me. Wait, where's the thing gone? This is my favorite character in the game. This guy. Look at that, I don't even have him. I need 3 hats. I think that's the easiest thing to do. Ooh, unless if I do this, I got a leaf. Alfie. Wait. Yay! 23. Start with a higher opponent. The thing is, though, I want to get the red one, and it only costs 2 more keys, so only 1 more game. This is like the slowest game in the world. Look how slow it's going. 1 sec, I'll just brush my teeth. Yeah, it actually kind of is fast though. Every time. I'm just glad I have the skin now. What? Okay, I just need coins. That's literally it. Why is it going so fast? Hear me out. Why is it going so fast? Wow. Oh my god, I literally do not care. Plus 10. Yes, I'm gonna get this. Now we need to watch Block Blast. Oh my god, I'm actually very good at Block Blast though. No joke. So I'll get another 10. Nah, I say I don't. I'm not gonna do it. Yay. Well, I think I should. Let's go with one more game. I hate the booster. This is literally what it does. I do not care. That's literally what it does. Wow. That's so easy. Anyway, guys, that'll be it for today's video. Peace. Where is it? Oh, there's it.